How do you feel about seeing your new smile for the first time?
Well, it's fantastic. I couldn't be happier. It looks really nice. I mean, everyone really brags on it.
What was your first thought when you looked in the mirror?
Oh gosh, I don't know. I'm just glad that I did this. I really am glad I made this decision.
Did any of the concerns you had before treatment actually happen?
I guess my biggest concern, I was wondering when you actually did the surgery and everything, put the implants in, I gosh wonder how bad that's going to be.
Yeah.
But it wasn't bad. I took maybe a half a dozen Advil. That's all I took. It's not as bad as it sounds, that original surgery.
How has your confidence changed since the procedure?
Well, I've always been pretty confident. It has definitely helped. When your teeth aren't right, you're not quite right. But one of the biggest pleasures is being able to eat again like I used to, eat steak or just whatever.
What would you say to someone thinking about getting this done?
I would say come see these folks. Come see Dr. Poppy and everybody. You guys just do extremely good work.